Happy Saturday, everybody. What a sunrise, huh? Today, I'm going to go for a little drive, and I'm going to go to a place called Observatory Hill. I've never been there, but I'm going to go check it out and see what we got, and I'm going to do a little hiking and break the drone out. I think I'm going to go with the Mini 3 Pro again. I mean, I got to be honest, it's kind of become my favorite. I know it's throwback and it's the 03 transmission, but as far as line of sight goes, that drone is as good as any drone. I mean, and that's just, I think, what is it, in a perfect world, 39,000 feet? I mean, come on. I mean, obviously, I've never pressed that, but I've flown out like 1.5 miles before and didn't lose a bar. It's a great drone, great picture. So yeah, I've never been to this Observatory Hill. It's close to Montello, Wisconsin. I looked it up on the map. It's got an elevation like 400 feet and nothing crazy. And along the way, I'm going to see if there's anything cool that I can take a video of, fly a drone by it. One thing I've been really digging lately is churches, getting a video of a church, not the new ones. The new ones look like a strip mall. You can't even tell it's a church. I'm talking like the old ones that are out in the country and there's not even a town with them, There's a couple along the way I know that there isn't a town within 10 miles of them. And there's just some churches out in the country. I mean, that'd be some cool churches to go to. It must be like everybody from around the area comes to that church. It'd be pretty cool. And then I'm going through Portage. I'll see if there's any cool old churches there in Portage, Wisconsin. So, yeah, that's my big plan today, my big video. Thanks for watching. All right, one more thing. I just want to say that the drone community is freaking outstanding. The amount of people that you meet and you interact with via YouTube, just from flying drones is incredible. Like, I've never flown with anybody, and I mean, going out, hey, you want to go fly a drone together and just go fly around? I mean, how cool is that? But I've met a lot of cool people. It all started, my newest ones started out, I went to JJ's Lifted Horizons because I wanted to see some of his drone videos. And what I found instead was that he works a shit ton with veterans, and he does so much incredible work. Check out his channel. It's so awesome. And through that, I met Veteran Drone. I believe his name's Dan and Jason. That's their names and everything. Cool, outstanding freaking people. Can't wait to meet these guys someday in real life and just go fly a drone or something with them. So I just wanted to say that. Pretty cool. I like watching their videos. Cool guys. Check them out. Veteran Drone and JJ's Lifted Horizons. All right. I'm leaving for real this time. You are alive.